Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding to LeadPages templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer branding to LeadPages templates, start by logging into your LeadPages account. Navigate to the Templates tab on the dashboard. Select the template you wish to edit. Click on the Edit button to open the template in the editor. Begin by replacing the existing colors with your brand colors. Access the color settings in the sidebar. Input your brand's primary color codes. Adjust the secondary colors to match your branding. Next, update the typography to align with your brand guidelines. Select the text elements you wish to change. In the sidebar, choose your preferred font from the drop-down menu. Make sure the font size is consistent with your branding. Add or update the logo in the designated image block. Click on the image block and upload your logo file. Ensure that your logo maintains clarity and proper dimensions. Next, modify any existing images to reflect your brand's visual style. Replace stock images with custom images that embody your brand identity. Proceed to adjust the layout if necessary. Ensure that elements are evenly spaced and visually appealing. Preview your changes to see how they align with your branding. If satisfied, click on the Save button to save your edits. Test the template by viewing it on different devices. Make any additional adjustments to ensure responsiveness. Finally, publish the template once everything meets your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.